only thing that can ruin a good braai is uninvited smoke. Introducing the Chimney Champ turbine ventilator, the best solution to extract smoke and odors from built-in braais and fireplaces. Wind creates a downdraft, which results in unwanted smoke, destroying living comforts. You can avoid these horrific circumstances by installing Chimney Champ, which creates an exhaust action that sends the smoke up the chimney rather than into your face, resulting in a clear, hot and pleasant fire. Don't let your braai blow smoke in your face. Use Chimney Champ and show it who's boss.